Hi guys, this is a CISA surface mounted lock which I consider a very strong kind of lock, and mostly we install this at the back door or sometimes on the metal doors. The installation of this lock is very nice, and one good thing of this, it has a three option for the extension of the deadbolt. 1, 2, 3. That's a very long one, and it will secure your door, especially doors that has a little bit of a clearance, more than, let's say, 316. Now the installation is very simple, but one thing I found out, the weakness of this kind of lock is the cylinder and the collar. The collar is less than 1/32 of an inch thick, so I am not satisfied with this. So what I did, I request for a machined type collar, and it has a thickness of 2 millimeter and a depth of almost 3/8 of an inch. So I will install it and I will show you how does it look like on the door, and I consider this a better one and a stronger one actually when it is fit on the door. Okay, so let's go to work and I'll show you how I install this. Alright, okay guys, installing this surface mounted lock, the first thing you need to know is the back set of this surface mounted lock. That means from this insertion of the tailpiece up to this end here is 6.9 millimeter or 2 3/4 of an inch. So this is what you're gonna determine the distance of the back set. So after you have decided the height on your door, which mostly it is 1 meter standard, so then if there is already an existing lock there, you can either goes up or goes down. So okay, this is just a demonstration. So alright, I decide to put the lock from this side here. Okay, so I'll mark it here. Let's assume that is 1 meter from the floor, right? And then I try to mark that. After marking that, so I will be taking 6.9 centimeter up there. 1/4 of an inch drill. I lock this out. That's nothing, right? So I'll drill it through and through from this side, and that will be the location of the tail piece of my rim cylinder. Okay friend, now this goes the tricky part on installing a rim cylinder. Okay, I will explain. As you can see, this is the most common mistake of the installer, especially the new one, because they thought this is the center, true center of this rim cylinder. That is wrong. As you can see, this rim cylinder, its tailpiece is not centered through the cylinder itself. So the true center is up here, and that is half centimeter if I'm not wrong. Alright, so it's right, this is half centimeter on this half centimeter on this point here. So what we should do is that from this center hole here, we raise it up to, from the center, okay, that is the center, we raise it up 5 centi, okay, that's it. Now that is the true center line which we gonna bore with a boring hole. Okay, friends, so I'm gonna use this boring hole saw, which has a size of 1 3/4 of an inch, or 44 millimeter, and this is corresponding to the diameter of this part here, which I'm gonna submerge on this door here. Okay, collar here will go from this side here. Okay, friends, so now on the inside I will try to make this hole bigger. Let's say this is a 3/4 of an inch, to accommodate this head of the cylinder here, if this door is solid, so that this will be no obstruction when this core here turn. Okay, friends, so now we will have to install the first part on the inside part of the door, the plate for the cylinder that will go there, right? So this is a wood, so it needs to be flush, so that there will be no obstruction on installing this cylinder here. Okay, that is a wood, so it needs to be cut, so that this will be flush on this surface. Now I will bore a hole here to accommodate this retaining screw. I will bore it with a 1/4 drill bit. Okay, now I will install this cylinder, and I will catch it with this plate here. So I will install it here. Alright. Okay, friends, now installing the ring cylinder and retaining plate and retaining screw. After making the adjustment, okay, that's how it looks from the outside. So that is how it looks from the inside. and this is from the outside. Now installing the lock itself, because this is too long, so it needs to be cut by, let's say, protrude it with a turning mechanism here to lock and unlock. And also, do not cut it too long, because the key which you will insert here, it will obstruct from the tip of this if you make it longer. Okay, so we'll cut this. Okay, so we'll cut this tail now. By cutting it, let's put a little cut by a hacksaw, and then you can snap it. Okay, that's it. Now it's time to install this part here. Engage this. Okay, and because we had tried to have a back set on this, so you'll have to cut from this wood also, so that this will be flush on this edge of the door. So let's mark this. Okay, let's make a mark on this other side of this edge, so that we could flush this on the surface. Okay friend, now after the installation of the rim cylinder has been finished, it is from the outside. You have to check it. If it is working smoothly, then it's time to install the lock itself, the surface mount. So this hole here should be engaged in this tailpiece here. And also after cutting the wood, after cutting the wood for this, so that this will be submerged like this, should be flush from the edge of the door. And the look from the outside, it's very neat, and it is submerged on the surface of the door. So this is a wider kind of an collar, and it's look nice. Okay, so thanks for watching, and good day.